So we've all experienced uncertainty and indecisiveness when purchasing products online. The looming question in our head most often is this the right product for us? And in our quest to purchase the right product, we often rely on inferential data such as product reviews, blog posts, opinion posts, etc., often leading us to a paradox of choices. What if there was a way that we could make this decision-making journey a lot easier, resulting in increased conversions? So welcome to data-driven persuasion using normative messaging. Now, you may have all seen rudimentary forms of messaging such as book 6 times in the last 1 hour or only 6 rooms remaining, etc., especially in the online travel and hospitality space. Now, in this next-gen demo, we're going to show you how using artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the power of Adobe's Experience Cloud products, we're going to make these messages truly personalized and impactful. Now, let's consider this scenario. 22-year-old David is a marketer from New York, and he's looking to purchase a new mobile phone that suits his needs. Now, he visits vretail.com, one of the country's largest portals for electronic portals. And he looks at the Samsung phone, he browses a bunch of products and he lands up on the Samsung phone. And he looks at the various features of the phone and he looks at the reviews that are given on the phone. However, there's nothing really that tells him on this particular site how well this phone fits his needs. So let's enable normative messaging and see what happens. Now you'll see that there's a new message that's visible to David, which is gaming enthusiasts from New York have often purchased this product than others. Now, how we get this information is because when David is logged in, we've used Adobe Audience Manager to procure third-party data, thereby greatly enriching his profile. So if you have a look at his profile, you'll see that we now have information such as the city, interests, gaming, traveling, his interests are gaming, traveling, photography, and fitness. This is only shown for the benefit of this demo. Now let's assume that David does not make the purchase. While this message might be enough for David to make the purchase, let's assume for a second that he does not make the purchase and he instead decides to wishlist the product. Now when David visits the same product again after a couple of days, let's have a look at how the messaging changes. So after a couple of days, you'll see the message has changed to a 94% match. A gaming enthusiast who added this product to the wish list mostly purchased this product. So you'll notice how as the user is progressing through his journey on the site, the messages are getting richer and richer. Now let's see what happens when David visits another product page on the same site. On the Apple iPhone product page, you'll see that the message now reads, young travelers from New York have often purchased this product than others. The use case that we have showcased here is a simplified one, but in reality, using Adobe's Experience Cloud products, we can track every single action that a customer does on the site, such as searching, filtering, wish listing, adding to cart, product comparison, and more, and thereby creating a very enriched profile which results in hyper-personalized messages. So this demo is not restricted to retail, and the concept of normative messaging and this solution can be scaled to various other industries as well. This solution is powered by Adobe Experience Manager, Adobe Analytics, Adobe Target, and Adobe Audience Manager. Thank you.